So fraction means which indicates the equal parts of a whole thing. So 1/2 liter among in a liter, within a liter we are dividing into two parts and we are taking out one part from the liter. So that is 1/2 like that. 3/4 means considering three parts from the whole four parts. So whole thing we are dividing into equal parts and taking out some parts from that. That is called as fraction, which is in the form of a/b like that. And equivalent fractions, the fractions which are having same value, which are giving same value, are the same part of the whole thing. For example, 1/2, 2/4. Among 4, 2 we are considering, just half of the parts we are considering. For example, 3/6, 4/8, all are same. Yes, half of the parts we are considering, all we are dividing into half. So 1/2 is also equal to 2/4, also equal to 3/6, also equal to 4/8. Or else another one also we can take like this. So 3/8 is equals to 6/16. Okay, this is equal to this. Why? Because we are considering 3 parts from the 8. Here 6 parts from the 16. Both are equal. If we convert this into simple fraction, 2 3s are and 2 8s are. 3/2 again, which is equal to this. So these type of fractions are called equivalent fractions. So equivalent fractions or not, how can we identify? By simplifying. So simplifying means like this only, by cancelling with the same factor. Yes, and how can we identify? Is that now, is it a simpler form or not? How can we identify? By finding the HCF. That is one method. HCF 1 aindanondi, this is in the simpler form. 1 not equal to 1. HCF not equal to 1 of these two HCF of these two numbers is not equal to 1 and more than 1. So at that time these are not in the simpler form. Or else we can also check like this, cross multiplication. So a/b and c/d. For example, 3/2 and 4/3. Is this are equal simpler form or not? How can we identify? By finding the HCF. Okay na? And is these are equal or not? Equivalent fractions or not? For that, first we need to cross multiply like this. So this is 3 into 3, 9. 4 into 2, 8. Not equal to. So these two are not equivalent fractions. These two are not equivalent. How can we check? By cross multiplying. So AD is equals to BC means those are equivalent fractions. If AD is not equal to BC, those are not equivalent fractions. For example, 3/10 and 15/50. So just to do the cross multiplication, 3 into 50, 150, 15 into 10, 150, both are equal. So these two are equivalent fractions and these two are not equivalent fractions. Like that we can conclude. And by checking the HCF, we can conclude is it in a simpler form or not. Okay. Keep your phone mute. Some disturbance is coming from your side. What is that? So, have you no idea on how to find HCF? You know how to find HCF of some numbers, any two numbers. For example, 3, 8. Yes, we have 3/8. So, is this simpler form or not? So, for that, first we need to find out HCF. How can we find out HCF? Full form means HCF. Highest. Yes, highest common factor. Highest common factor, correct only? Yes. So we can find like this, 3, 8. Like this we need to divide. So 3 2s are 6. 2 is the remainder. Again you take this divisor here as dividend. Okay? As dividend. And 2 1s are 2. What is the remainder here? 1. And again you take this here. So 1 2s are 2. 0. Up to here we need to stop. So the last divisor here, last divisor we need to consider. So divisor as HCF we need to take. So here 3, 8. HCF of 3, 8 is equals to 1. So 1 means this is in the simpler form. Our example or another example we'll consider now. And 4 by 26. So is this in simpler form or not? We need to find out. Okay. This is another example. So take 4 here and 26 here as the dividend, and this is the divisor. 4 8s are 32. 4 7s are 28. So 4 6 are 24 is suitable for this. So minus 4 minus 6. 6 minus 4 2. And again 4 here we need to take. Is it okay, Nana? You know this one previously. 2 2s are 4. So 0 is the remainder. What is the HCF here? This last divisor is the HCF. Okay. So HCF of 4 and 26 is 2. So it is not equal to 1. So that's why this is not in the simpler form. So we can convert this into simpler form by cancellation. 2 2s are and 2 1s are 2 3s are 2 by 13. This is in simpler form. So the HCF of this must be 1. Okay, simpler form lo undante dani HCF must 1 untundi. Okay, is it understandable to you? HCF find cheyadam already you know already this one. Yes, say answer me, Nana. Unmute and talk once. What happened to you? Yes, you know now. Already you know this type of HCF finding, HCF cancellation. These are the basics of maths. Okay, you should know about all. And one more thing, Nana. Types of fractions. Like fractions, unlike fractions. Like fractions means denominator same. Unlike means different denominators. Okay, I think you know already. And proper fraction, improper fraction. These two are another types of fractions. Numerator less than denominator. Numerator must be less than denominator. Those are called as proper fractions. If numerator less than denominator, denominator kante numerator takku ante, those are proper fractions. If denominator is less than numerator, numerator is larger. So those are improper fractions. We can convert improper fractions into mixed fractions. Yes, we can write improper fractions into mixed fractions. That is natural number plus proper fraction. Natural number plus proper fraction. Natural number plus proper fraction. Those are improper fractions. We can write these as mixed fractions. So mixed fraction means natural number plus proper fraction. So if we consider a improper fraction first, improper. So improper means numerator is greater than denominator. Yes, 18 by 4. So this is improper fraction. I am considering an improper fraction. Why it is improper? Numerator is greater than denominator. Improper fraction we can write. So this one I want to make as mixed fraction. How can we make? 4 18. So here 4 4s are 16 and 2 is the remainder. So we can write this one as, first to write down quotient here. Quotient plus what is the remainder? 2 you should write here, and in the denominator 4 you write. Okay, now it is become as proper fraction. Yes, proper fraction. Proper fraction అయిపోయింది ఇది, because denominator is greater than numerator. So we can write this one as 4 2 by 4. Or else we can simplify like this. 2 1s are 2 2s are 4 1 by 2 also we can write this one. Okay. If we have like this, so we can also make mixed fraction as improper again. How can we make the mixed fraction as improper? First you should multiply these two. So denominator you should keep like that only, and in the numerator, so 4 into 2 plus 1. So like that, these two you should multiply and this one you should add again. So 8 plus 1 by 2 is equals to 9 by 2. Like that also we can write. So or else I'll consider another improper fraction here. So 3 4 by 7. So this one we can write as, we can make here 3 you should keep, 7 you should keep in the denominator as it is, and in the numerator 3 into 7 plus 4 is equals to 21 plus 4 by 7. 25 by 7. We can make a mixed fraction as improper fraction like this. Is it okay for you? So again, if we make this one as mixed fraction, it should become again. So 7, 25. 7 3s are 21. 4 is the remainder. So we can write this one as what I told you. First write down this quotient as natural number plus denominator you should place as divisor again, and remainder you should keep here as numerator. So is equals to 3 4 by 7 as it is came up. So like that we can change from improper to mixed fraction and mixed to improper fraction again. So mixed fraction means natural number plus proper fraction. Is it okay, Nana? Is it okay for you? Easy only? Understandable? Already you have finished this chapter in school. Now you are getting clear idea for that. You done already some problems on basis of this. Okay? Yes, these are the types. Okay, you wrote yesterday for this classwork. And now you are getting clear idea on this because you now only you completed classwork. Now you are getting clear, all. Like fractions, unlike fractions, proper, improper. Like means same denominator. Unlike means different denominators. Proper means numerator less than denominator. Improper means denominator less than numerator. Okay, numerator is greater than denominator at that time. Those are called improper fractions. Mixed means natural number plus proper fraction. We can make improper fractions as mixed fractions, and again mixed fractions as mixed fractions as improper fractions in this manner. Okay, in this manner we can convert. Okay, now is it okay for you? Okay. If you are not getting anything, you can ask again, no problem. So if we want to convert unlike fractions to like fractions, this is the one method, Nana. So if we want to convert unlike fractions to a like fractions, set of unlike fractions to like fractions, if we want to convert means, first what we need to do? LCM. You know idea about LCM? All the denominators you should take like this for finding the LCM of these. So like this you need to do. You know this method? So take a small number 2. So 2 ones are 2 ones are 2. It is not suitable. 2 ones are 2. 3 it is. So as it is you need to keep. 2 twos are 4. So 5 is not divisible. So 5 like that only you keep. 9 like that only you keep. 2 fours are 8. And 2 6 are 12. And one more time we can take 2 table because 2, 4, 6 are divisible by 2. So 2. 3 as it is you keep. 2 ones are 2. 5, 9, 2 twos are 4 and 2 threes are 6. Again we can take 3 table because 3 numbers are divisible here. 1, 2, 3. So with 3 table I am taking. 3 ones are 3. So 1, 5 as it is you place. 3 threes are 9. 2 as it is you place. 3 ones are 3. Okay. And all are prime numbers only. See, except one, all are prime numbers only. So we can take this LCM as LCM is equals to 2 into 2 into all these numbers, Nana. 2 into 2 into 3 into 1 into 1, 1 into 1 into 5 into 3 into 2 into 1. This is the LCM. So what is the product? 2 twos are 4, 4 threes are 12, 12 ones are 12, 12 ones are 12, 12 fives are 60, and 63s are 180, 182s are 360. So 360 is the LCM of these all denominators. So we need to make denominator as 360 to make these all as like fractions. Okay, like fractions kavalante we need to make denominator of all these as 360. So we have a chance to make all the denominators as 360 because LCM of all these numbers is 360. How can we find LCM? You know, already you know now. Now also you can understand. We will do like this. So to make these all as denominators as all denominators as 360. We need to multiply all the numbers like this. So 2 by 3 into, so how much we need to multiply with get denominator we need to get as 360. So with which number we need to multiply? 120 by 120. So then we can get a 360 in the denominator. So 240 by 360 we'll get. And 123 is 12 3 is 36. 0 we can keep like that. Okay. And 3 by 4. So with what number we need to multiply? 9 4 is. So 90 by 90 we can take 360. So it వచ్చి మనకి denominator 360 చేయాలి నాన్న by multiplying numerator and denominator with same number. So if we multiply like this, no change. Numerator and denominator with same number, there is no change by multiplying the numerator and denominator with the same number. So 9 3s are 27, 270. So like that 4 by 5 is equals to into, with what number we can multiply Nana? With what number? 5 table 360 తో divide చేయాలి. Yes. 5 6 are 30. 60 means here 5 7s are 35. So 5 2s are 10. 72. With 72 we need to multiply numerator and denominator to get here in the denominator 360. So 4 2s are 8. 4 7s are 28. 288 by 360. All are becoming as like fractions. Yes. So like that we can make all. So 7 by 9 we can multiply 9 4s are 36. 40 by 40. Okay. So we can get here 360. So in the denominator 4 7s are 28. 280 we will get in the numerator. In the denominator 360. So this is also become as a like fraction. So 1 by 8. So 1 by 8 into here in the denominator we need to get 360 divided by 80. If you are not getting clear idea, you should divide. 8 4s are 32. 4 is the remainder. 8 5s are 40. So 45 you should multiply in the denominator and numerator. You will get a 36 360 and here 45. 45 by 360. Like that only 7 by 2 with how much? 3. 30 by 30 we should do. Because in the denominator we need to get 360. 12 3s are 36. 0 and 7. 210 by 360. So like that we can make this one as these set of numbers fractions as like fractions by taking the LCM of numbers. So all the denominators we need to make all the denominators as 360, then we will get the like fractions. Okay. Okay. How can we represent fractions on number line? How can we represent? For example, here we have 1 by 7 Nana. This is less than 1. Yes, less than 1. And proper fractions always less than 1. Proper fractions always less than 1. Proper fractions always less than 1. So 1 by 7 on the number line we need to represent. So take 0, 1. This is the number line Nana. So here 1 by 7. That means 0 to 1 we need to divide into equal number of parts. 7 parts. All parts are 7. 1, 2. Here 0 we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 1. Okay. Here we are taking as 1 and here we are taking as 0. So we have 1 by 7. 1 by 7 here. So 3 by 7 we need to identify means 1, 2, 3. Here 3 by 7 we can identify like this. Okay. This part is 3 by 7. How can we identify the fractions on number line? Some sound is coming. What is that sound you are talking? You want to talk? No? Mute lo petnana. If you want to talk only, unmute that one. This disturbance is coming from that side. Okay. Oh, okay. Listen. Exercise 5A. In that, how to write like this they will give means how to write 6 divided by 11. So divisor you should take as numerator and dividend should take as divisor and dividend you should take. So dividend you should take as numerator dividend Nana, dividend. Okay. And this is divisor you should take as denominator. Okay. Like that you can write 6 divided by 11 and 6 by 11 you can write. And like this, what is the value of these all parts? 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So all parts you should take in the denominator, and in the numerator taken out parts. How many parts you are taking out? Two parts among 8. So 2 by 8. So is it simpler form? Is this simpler form? No. 2 ones are 2 fours are 1 by 4 also we can write. This one as 1 by 4 also you can write. Equivalent fraction to 2 by 8. 2 by 8 also write as 1 by 4. And this one Anna, all number of parts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 in the denominator you should take. And the taken out parts are 1, 2. 2 by 5. Okay now? Is it okay? So like that you can write. And write equivalent fractions of the following. So equivalent fractions means you can multiply with the same number in the numerator and denominator. We can get equivalent fractions for this. So for example, 3 by 3 we can multiply both denominator and numerator. We can get the equivalent fraction of these. So any number you can multiply, Nana, with same number in the numerator and denominator. We can get the equivalent fractions. Okay. 4 3s are 12 and 7 3s are 21, or else we can multiply with 2 also. We can get an equivalent fraction for these. So 4 2s are 8 by 7 2s are 14. This is also equivalent fraction for this. And with 10 also we can multiply, with 12 also we can multiply, with 360 also we can multiply, both numerator and denominator. We can get equivalent fractions for the given. Okay, like that we can find out. So for 11 by 18 also we can 11 by 18 into 2 by 2, or 11 by 18 into 27 by 27. Any number you can take, but must be same in the numerator and denominator. By multiplying like this we can get the equivalent fractions of the given fraction. So here 27 into 11. 11 sevens are 77. 11 twos are 22 plus 7, 29. 297 by. So here 27 into 18. So 18 table, do you remember? No. So like this also we can do. 7 8s are 56. Yes, 8 7s are 56. 8 2s are 16 plus 5. 16 plus 5, 21. And 7 2. We can add both of these. 4. 486. So this is also equivalent fraction to this, because we multiplied both numerator and denominator with same number. So this is also equivalent fraction for 11 by 18. Like that we can get. Okay. Next, write equivalent fractions with numerator 32 and denominator 32 once. Here numerator 32, Nana. First one, we are making denominator 32. Then second one is for numerator 32. So how can we make denominator 32 here by multiplying? How can we make? By 8 into 4, 32. So we need to multiply with the same number, numerator and denominator. 4 by 4, 12 by 32 is the equivalent fraction for 3 by 8. So 3 by 8 equivalent to 12 by 32. And here making denominator, numerator as 32. So 8 by 8 we need to. Why? Because 4 8s are 32. So 32 by 56 is the equivalent fraction for 4 by 7. So like that we can do. So if we are multiplying numerator and denominator with same number, there is no change. We can multiply like that anywhere else. So from that we can find out the equivalent fraction of the given fraction by multiplying with same number, numerator and denominator with same number. So which of the following fractions are in their simplest form? So how can we find, Nana? Kaushik, how can we find the simplest form? By finding the, say answer, by finding the, how can we find the simplest form for the given? By finding the HCF. Yes? Yes or no? Say yes. By finding the HCF of the, yes, HCF of the numerator and denominator, we can find is that in simplest form or not, we can find like that. So here some numbers they have given. So for this I want to tell you the HCF. So repeatedly you can do HCF, means it is clear for you. It is easy for you to do. Yes, repeatedly you can do. So here 46 by 64 is the first bit. So we should take 46 here and 64 here. So 46 ones are 46. Yes. 2 times means that is more than 90. 46 means 46 twos are 92. So one time only it is capable to divide. So here what is the remainder, Nana? 14 minus, here we need to take borrow. 14 minus 6 means 8. 5 minus 4 means 1. So here 18 as the divisor we need to take, and this one you should place in the dividend place. So 46 here you should take. So how many times it is suitable to divide, Nana? 18 threes are 8 threes are 24. 3 ones are 3 plus 2 5 54. So it is exceeded. So 2 times only. 18 twos are how much? 36. So 10 is the remainder, Nana. 46 minus 36, 10 will get. Again 10 you keep here and 18 you should take as dividend. So 10 ones are 10. 8 is the remainder, and again 10 is as the dividend you need to take. So 8 ones are 8. So 2 is the remainder, 8. 2 fours are 8. Again you 8 you need to place here. So 0 is the remainder. So what is the HCF, Nana? HCF of the above numbers. So HCF of 46 by 64, 46 and 64 is equals to 2. So that is not in the 46 by 64 is not in simpler form, not in simplest form. Okay, simplest form. We can conclude like this. Did you done like this? So we can make this one as simpler form by cancellation with 2 we can make. Okay, but they only asked which one is in simplest form. That only you should tell. That number, that fraction 46 by 64 is not in simplest form. So next one we need to consider. Can you do all these? Once you try and show me, show your camera like this. In the phone only you have. You logged in phone only. Okay, show like this. Do this one and show me, Nana. So HCF you find out for this, and for this also you find out HCF. I want to show your performance and the live. So phone you keep like this. Back camera you on, not front camera. Back camera you on now. There 3 dots are there. There you change the camera. Switch camera. Switch camera option is there in the top. 3 dots. Switch camera you. Here 3 dots are there. There you should switch camera, back camera on, and show your book and do these problems. 2 problems. So I want to show, or else okay, now it is okay, clear only. Somewhat blur, signal problem. Okay, you can do now. You can do. How many times it is divisible? 13 sevens are how much? 13 sevens are 91. It is exceeded. Now 13 6 is suitable. 13 6 78. You do that. 13 6. Now it is okay. Clear only. You cannot able to carry phone like that. Yes. But we are doing like that only. Daily we are doing like that only for teaching. It is difficult. You are feeling difficult. Yes. 14 minus 8 how much? 6. Very good. 6 you got. Yes. Again you need to take that one as divisor and 13 as dividend. 13 you take here again. 6 as divisor. Here Nana. Here you start. Not there. Quotient దగ్గర కాదు. Yes. There you should take that one as divisor. And keep a bracket. And with not like that. You didn't done previously like these problems you didn't done. Yes. Yes. See, Nana. Yes, see. I am showing you. You should do like this. This is very live, Nana. Live class like that. Okay. 13 6 are 78. 6 is the reminder. Yes, 6 you should take like this. Is it visible to you, my screen? 6. Now 13 you take like this. Okay. Here you should take 13. Yes, like this you should take. Do like this only. You can do, Nana. Like this practice. In this manner you can get more clarity. ఇలా లైవ్ లో చేసామనుకో you can get more clarity in the problems. ఫోన్ పట్టుకోవడం విత్ ఇన్ 2 or 3 days you can get వస్తుంది. అదేమంత పెద్ద ప్రాబ్లం కాదు. You are using already headset you are using, so no problem for that. I want this pen. Okay, go. Okay, how many times, Nana, it is divisible? How many times? 6 2s are 12. Very good. And 1 is the remainder. 6 you take here. Okay, 1 is the remainder. 6 you take here like that. Again, with how many times it is divisible? How many times? So 1 6 are 6. So 0 is the remainder. Yes. What is the HCF here? This is the HCF of 13 comma 6. HCF of 13 comma 6 is equals to 1. Okay, na? Is it okay for you? Okay, like that. Do this one also. Do this one. Try to do like that. No problem. It'll take more time. You should get knowledge. Yes. Do this one also. I will keep your screen only here. Okay, nice. Yes. One, not one. How many times? 14 twos are. 14 twos are 28. Okay. 14 twos are 28, Nana. Not 14 ones are. 14 35 here. 35 we have. 35 you should take, not 1. So 14 remainder. Remainder you should take as divisor. And 35 you should take as dividend. Not like that. See in my book. Like this. Okay na? You're getting clearly. Nu cheyagalugutavu నాకు తెలుసు. So 7 2s are 14. So what is the HCF of these two numbers? HCF is equals to HCF of 14, 35 and 49 is equals to 7. 7 is the HCF here. Okay? 7. So observe this one, Nana. So here 16 minus 9. How much? 16 minus 9. 7 will get. And here 1. 1 minus 1 is 0 and 1 minus 1 is 0. 7 is the remainder here. So that 7 you should take as divisor, Nana. And 119. Here divisor will become as again dividend in the next step. Dividend in the next step. So 7 ones are 7. 4 is the remainder, 49. So 7 sevens are 49. So among these two, what is the remainder of 196 and 126? HCF is HCF of 196 and 119 and 126 is equals to 7, Nana. Okay? 7. So while coming to this 27 and 64. So 27 twos are 54. Okay? And 10 is the remainder here. 10 you should keep like this. And 27 here. You need to place here. So 10 twos are 20. And 7 is the remainder. You take 10 here. And 7 ones are 7. 3 is the remainder. Take 7 here. And here 7 here divisor you should keep in the next step as dividend. So remainder as divisor. Every time remainder as divisor. So 3 twos are 6. 1 is the remainder. And 1 you keep like this. 3 is the dividend here. So 1 3s are 3. Up to 0 you should take. Remainder 0 you should do the problem. How many steps we need? Up to remainder 0. So this is the HCF. HCF of 27 and 64 is equals to 1. So how many are in the simpler form, Nana? Where we got remainder 1? Where we got? So where we got for first one we didn't get. For second one, we got HCF as 1. So this is in simpler form. 13 by 84 is in the simpler form and 27 by 64 is in the simpler form. Remaining are not in the simplest form. So simplest how many? Second and fifth. So like that we can get. You done all these problems in the homework, but you are not getting still. Okay. Directly they told answers. So this method they didn't explain. Yes. So like that you can conclude, Nana. Like that you can conclude which one is in the simplest form. Cancellation చూసినట్టున్నారు కానీ HCF explain చేయలేదు. So like this you can find out the HCF. Is it okay for you? Next method, Nana. Next bit, 9th bit. So in this first one is 10 by 15. This is just a simple cancellation we can do. So 10 to 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. 2 by 3 we can get. Okay. So this is the simplest form. And the second one, 16 by 28. So how many times? 2 table we can. And 4 table also we can. So 2, 4. First 2 table I am taking. 2 8s are, 2 1s are, 2 4s are. Again 2 table. So 2 4s are, 2 7s are. 4 by 7. Is there any possibility to do again? No. So that's why we can leave like that. So this is the simplest form of 16 by 28. And third one I am taking 35 by 63. So is this possible with 3 table? No. In the 3 table there is no 35. It is not divisible. And add the digits 3 plus 5, 8. So 8 is not divisible by 3. So it is not suitable for 3 table. 5 table also not. 6 also not. 7 table, Nana. 7 5s are 35. And 7 9s are 63. 5 by 9 is the simplest form. Here also like that you can do to make this one a simpler form. Yes. These two are not having possibility to cancellation because HCF of these two fractions is numerator and denominator HCF is 1. So ఈ రెండిట్లలో cancellation possible కాదు because these two are in simplest form. ఇంకా simplify చేయడానికి ఛాన్స్ లేదు. But here with 2 table we can do. Here with 7 table we can do. Here also with 7 table we can do. So how can we find out this? By finding the HCF of the numerator and denominator both. So we can find the HCF like that. So that is the method. And the next problem onwards we will discuss tomorrow. I will give you some homework. Okay. So classify the proper and improper fractions. This bit also we can do, Nana. So 4 by 9. Is it a proper or improper fraction? Numerator should be less than denominator. Denominator should be greater than. Yes, this is proper. Correct? Proper fraction. And 11 by 8. Improper. Because numerator is greater than. Denominator is less than. Like that. This is improper fraction. This is also improper, Nana. Numerator big unte, that is improper. Denominator big unte, that is proper. So here, mixed fraction. Yes, mixed fraction. This one is mixed. One natural number plus one proper fraction. So this is mixed fraction. So is this? This is 14 by 14. Both are equal. So this is the natural number, Nana. We can cancel. We can simplify. 14 ones are 14 ones are. 1 is the number. Natural number we'll get here. So and the next one is, this is mixed fraction. This is improper because numerator is bigger. So like that we can classify. So write improper fractions as mixed fractions. How can we write, Nana? By dividing. So 29, 4 7s are 28. Okay, is it okay? Just divide like this. 1 is the remainder. You should keep this quotient first. Quotient plus divisor. Remainder by divisor. Remainder by denominator or divisor. Denominator or divisor you should take. So what is quotient here? 7 plus 1 by 4 is equals to 7 1 by 4 we can write. Just a minute, Nana. Here. So here LCM of the denominators is 24. So we need to make all the denominators as 24. Just multiply with equal number with numerator and denominator. So here we need to make denominator as 24. So I want to multiply with 8 in the numerator and denominator with 8 because I want to make denominator as 24. So 3 by 4 into, so with 6, 4 6 are 24. With 6 I want to multiply numerator and denominator. And for the next number 5 by 6. So 6 4s are 4 by 4 I want to multiply with both numerator and denominator. And 7 by 8 with 3 by 3 because 8 3s are 24. And 11 by 12 with 2 by 2. So 8 2s are 16 by 24 and 6 3s are 18 by 24 and 5 4s are 20 by 24. 21 by 7 3s are 21 by 24 and 11 2s are 22 by 24. These all are like fractions, similar fractions or like fractions because all are having same denominator. Like fractions means with same denominator. The fractions are called like fractions. The fractions which are having same denominator are like fractions. How can we make this? By taking the LCM of the denominators. Unlike fractions, we can make as like fractions. So by taking the LCM, so according to that LCM, so denominators LCM, we need to make all the denominators as LCM 24. So for that we can multiply with same number numerator and denominator. So like that we can get like fractions. All the denominators same we can make like that. So like that we can get unlike fractions to like fractions. So here also I done like that. 1 by 3, 1 by 2, 5 by 6 and 4 by 5. These are unlike fractions because all the denominators are different. So to make these all are as like fractions, we need to take LCM of all the denominators 3, 2, 6, 5. So we can get the LCM of denominators 30. So we need to make all the denominators as 30. So for that we need to multiply with same number denominator and numerator. So 1 by 3 we need to make denominator as 30 means 10 by 10 we should multiply. And 1 by 2 we should multiply with 15 by 15. And 6 by 5 we should multiply with 5 by 5. Why? Because these are to make the denominator as 30. So then we will get the denominator as 30. So these all are like fractions from the unlike fractions. Like this we can do the problems. To convert set of like fractions into unlike fractions into like fractions like this. Okay, thank you for nice class with you. I'll send you the homework, some homework problems. You try to do. Tomorrow, I think you have holiday in school tomorrow. Do these problems. And tomorrow at the same time, 4 o'clock, I will call you. Then we'll do the problems, fractions. Okay. And then after they send that textbook, you send me. Or else photocopies also you can send from textbook.